Hey everyone, and welcome to Complete Guide to Start Your Career as a UI UX Designer. Let me introduce myself. I'm your host, your instructor, Bhavani Prasad Karrotu. Before that, let me tell you that I'm a designer, a photographer, and a father. My main focus is innovation, prototyping in immersive technologies to create mobile app designs. I have worked as a freelance designer for different agencies, startups, and companies like ICICI Bank, Deloitte, Waiting News, India Buys, and Alta Vista Technologies. I'm super glad to welcome you to this entire course. This course offers you to work on real world projects. Along with that, you'll work on a unique project specifically for you. And you're going to build a strong portfolio using design softwares like Figma, Adobe XD, and Zeppelin. There is much more in this course that you will learn from anywhere, anytime, and watch videos unlimited number of times. And still have any doubt? There will be a live session with instructor and classmates on every weekend. So why late? Let's join the class and start learning design in a simple and easy way.